How do you making the orange juice? At first I have bought the fresh orange and wash it. Then I peel the orange and remove the seeds and put it into the juicer machines and switch on, and the separate juices are poured into the bottles. Myself Myself is Mimi Ghosh. I completed my MA and B.Ed course. I like to upload the videos and share the videos with you all. I like to studying the different varieties books, and I like to watch the TV programs. Applications for unemployment. Through the columns of your STEM daily, I like to ventilate my protest against unemployment is a great message that we should be inconvenienced in such a way for uncertain period. Durga Puja is the national festival in our country. It is the great and popular festival. The varieties and different customs and languages are involved in this great Durga Puja, and they are enjoys and creates a unity in this great Durga Puja. Unity of the India. The India has a unity of the diversity. The varieties, customs and languages are stayed in this land, and they are mixed as a human. They are participate all the programs and festivals. Thus, creates a unity in this land. Hi Rima, how are you? I am ill. I understand to see you, so I suggest to you, please have an appointment and to visit a doctor. Okay, I am thinking that I shall go to the doctors for my disease. I have suffering for fever. Okay. What is the doctor's main attentions? The doctor's main attentions should be to take carefully and pay attentions, and then to also to survive all patients. What is the main attention of the teachers? The teachers' main attention to take carefully and pay attentions to instruction to all students, and thus they can create a inform of this educated society. Cat baby kitten, dog baby puppy, cow baby calf, tiger baby calf, lion baby calf, elephant baby calf, deer baby fawn, horse baby foal, zebra baby foal, bear baby calf, rhinoceros baby calf, donkey baby foal, fox baby calf, CUB calf, sheep baby lamb, deer baby fawn, duck baby duckling, chicken baby chick, squirrel baby chick, CHICK chick, sparrow baby chick, parrot baby chick, peacock baby peachick, owl baby owlet, eagle baby eaglet, nightingale baby chick, woodkeeper baby chick, spider baby spiderling, mosquito baby fly, mosquito baby larva, fly baby larva, honeybee baby larva, ant baby larva, lizard baby hatchling, grasshopper baby nymph, NYMPH, crocodile baby hatchling, hippopotamus baby calf, CALF, dolphin baby calf, shark baby pup, tortoise baby hatchling, dolphin baby calf, octopus baby larva. What is noun? Noun understand the name of the persons or things. Kinds of noun, proper noun, common noun, collective noun, measureless noun, and abstract noun. Pronoun understand the instead of the noun. Ram is going to the school, he is going to the school. Verb understand the actions are working. He is playing, he is swimming. Adverb modified to the verb. He is working slowly. Slowly adverb. Preposition understand the positions of the verbs. He is swimming in the river. Conjunctions adding to the sentences such and or but. Interjection is understand the emotional words. Words who they. Present indefinite tense I go to the school, he eats rice. Present continuous I am eating rice. Present perfect I have gone to the school. Present perfect continuous I have been going to the school. Past indefinite I went to the school. Past continuous I was going to the school. Past perfect I had gone to the school. Past perfect continuous I had been going to the school. Future tense I shall go to the school. You will go to the school. Voice change he writes a letter. A letter is written by you. Parts of speech noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjections are called parts of speech. What is article? A anda, a cat, a cow, a TV, a pencil, a book. An umbrella, an ox, an owl, an eagle, an igloo. The cow, the TV, the tiger, the elephant.